Here we go again.
Hey guys, it's been a while, and what I've been doing is I've been replying to comments in my new video and stuff like that. I didn't shower today, but I did shower yesterday. But I haven't showered today, and I feel gross, so I'm gonna shower tonight. I to be honest, I'm more of a morning shower person, but it really does depend on how I'm feeling. But most of the time I shower in the morning, so I do feel a little weird. But I'm thinking of having a self-care night, because number one, we're not feeling the best. Are we looking the best? No, we still look good though. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a self-care night. You guys know the drill of my self-care nights. Read, do skincare, take a bath, blah blah blah. You guys know the drill by now. Hey everyone, this is after the bath. I've gotten not ready. I've just like tied my hair up, did skincare. My skin feels so smooth, like new skin who? Me. And then I'm wearing this sweater, and then I'm just wearing some shorts. So I'm thinking now I'm going to journal. I haven't journaled a long time. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So it's been a while. It's currently 7:15. I've just cleaned my room, so I probably started cleaning it around 30 minutes ago. So we've came back from shopping like a couple hours ago, and it was really fun. But today was the day where, I don't know if I told you guys this, but I actually decided to delete social media for a day and see what happens. Let me tell you this, guys. I had so many moments where I was like what should I do, because like I had nothing else to do. I feel like without that I can be a bit more productive, but I'm not saying like I'm quitting social media, blah blah blah. It just, like today, I was just like, you know what, it's my goal to spend less time on social media, because I actually do that, and it can become very toxic and not a good place for you. Well, if you use it a lot, that is. Like more than you should, which I definitely did, and I'm not gonna do again. I'm thinking like I'm gonna spend less time and set time limits. I actually did have time limits, honey. I pressed that ignore button real quick. Yeah, but I'm actually like gonna week again. But I would definitely recommend like a social media detox day. It's so good for you, even though you don't realize it. I didn't realize it until I actually did it, how great it is. And I would definitely recommend doing that. I kind of want to do it as a challenge for a week and see how it goes. That will be really hard for me, but like, yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys do it. I'm setting you a challenge, like delete Instagram, TikTok for a day. See what happens. It's literally great.
Where's the case? Start your computations. I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Maybe.
Okay, so introduction to the video, because okay, so we're gonna be baking. We are actually using this cake mix, but we're baking cupcakes. Mainly because I wanted to make cupcakes. I just think doing a cake is just doing a lot.
This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie getting made. Just too hard, I'm staying too close. Motherfucker on the ground, off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care why I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fight, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie getting made. Every other night another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. Don't feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your train, I'm gon' want another slave. I had no Jordan, not too many bitches getting saved. Tears in the present, so I took a private plane. He pussy nigga like it when I'm working on my aim. Drip too hard, charge to the car, designer to the ground like a balance by the name. Drip too hard, cousin on the floor, you gon' follow in the sun. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all.
I'm gonna update you guys later because I kind of want to be watching something while doing this, but I'm gonna update you later. This is what we have so far. Yeah, so I'll update you guys later. Okay, huge humongous update. I don't want them to slide all the way there, but I'm gonna show you. This is how they look. that is pretty much it for my Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas 2021. This was my first one, so it was definitely exhausting, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you. You're amazing. Stay amazing. Also, subscribe. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers. We're only 360 away. So if you're not already subscribed, please do so, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!